ahead of Moulton.
All right, so already the athletes for Heat 5 are on the track and setting their blocks. The 100 meters are on, so you know it's fast and furious this afternoon. We're on to Heat 5 of the Class 3 girls, 100 meters. Top 2 advance automatically from each heat. And the lane assignments, I'll give you that shortly. And seems we have a full field here, so here we go. Shauna K. Robinson of Bustamante High in 1. Ariana Brown of Spot Valley in 2. Jada Dewitt of Excelsior in 3. Naila Robinson of Hydel. Veneisha Pottinger of Mount Alvernia. Look out for her. 6th at the Carifta Trials. 2nd at the Western Championships. Trina Bunting of Fern Court in 6. Sarah Brown of Woolmers in 7. And Janelia Singh of Holy Childhood will operate from lane 8.
Yeah, and Pottinger here from Mount Alvernia, hoping to have a better chance than she did last year, has played a key role in the Mount Alvernia championship when they won out west, so hoping to advance past the first round this year.
Yeah. As they settle inside their blocks. That's a Pottinger there on the screen from Mount Alvernia. Right next to her is Naila Robinson of Hydel. Hydel, well, they're being asked to stand up. Of course, Hydel not represented at the Central Championships. And the athletes maybe contesting selected meets, I would say, this season. So the green card goes up.
Almost a similar approach last year, but I think circumstances this time around may have forced them to take selected meets. Last year they were playing possum, so to speak, and kind of hid from everyone. But this year, I think because of other factors outside of their control.
No secret.
Yeah. They haven't been able to prepare in the way that they would have wanted to.
But I say, Daniel, once Hydel turns up, you cannot underestimate the athletes any at all.
Absolutely not. They are extremely strong, have a strong presence across the sprints, middle distances. And so once they're here, you have to count them in.
Yeah. Speaking of strong, a strong coach as well, Corey Bennett, who knows how to perform get his athletes to perform at championships as well, Dwayne.
Yeah, certainly. And now looking to do it again. It's going to be probably the toughest title defense they've had, given the strength in numbers that the competitors have and the lack thereof on their part. But again, they're not shying away from the challenge. We've seen it so far at these championships with how the girls have competed. They have given a great account of themselves. And I think that long may that continue to these championships.
So the athletes just asked to stride out, and as the officials are checking their blocks, we had one false start in Class 4. Looked a bit controversial as well. The young athlete from Papine wasn't discernible from where we sit. All right, so we understand that there's an issue with the sensor on that particular block. So they're testing it. And, you know, Daniel and Dwayne, last year we had a plethora of false starts. The promise for this year is that that has been dealt with, and we wouldn't have a recurrence of that. So far, so good, we'd say. But from the looks of it, there's still issues to sort out.
Yeah, once it's not with the equipment, as long as the decisions that they're making is consistent. We had issues last year, and people were complaining about, withdrawing some athletes, allowing some to run, and the results stand. So as long as the officials are consistent with enforcing the rules, we should have minimal problems.
Yeah, my grandma would always say, if it's not one thing, it's another. If it's not another, it's the next thing. So last year we had issues with the false start. Now it's the sound coming from the start block. So again, what's a championship without its twists and turns?
Without its false starts. So they're settled inside their blocks. Once again, second time of asking.
Take your fingers off the line, lane 1.
So heat 5 of 8. And the class 3 girls 100 meters.
Set.
Robinson Brown do it. Robinson Pottinger. Mount Alvernia, look out for her. Out quickly. There she is. Second at the Western Championships. Takes charge early. Trying to go with her is Robinson of Heidel. Pottinger just easing to the line. Easing across the line along with Heidel's Naila Robinson. And these two take the top 2 automatic spots. And my. How easy was that? She's having fun.
She is. She smiles there. Eases down about 20 meters to the line. The Western champion from Mount Alvernia representing well.
Second at the Western champs, yes. 12:01. Pleased with that run. And going through with her automatic.